I'll let y'all know what this is here in just a minute. All right, what is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. So today, y'all gonna be going with me. I'm gonna be getting a bunch of stuff for the studio. If you follow me on Instagram, which you need to make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I post all kind of stuff over there. But I'm gonna be getting some stuff to finish up both the studio, this is the area I'm in right now, and then also the office area over there. On Instagram, I posted some of the stuff that I've done. I'm gonna give you like a sneak peek. It's kind of a mess in here right now, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up today. That's my goal, because I have today to get this done, and then I'm going back to work tomorrow on day shift, so I gotta get all this stuff done today. So yeah, if you like these types of videos, like, share, subscribe. Really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon, and then you get notifications whenever I release new videos. Let's get to the tour. So this is not gonna be like a conventional tour. I don't have, it's kind of a mess in here, just to be honest with you. I set up a new little station over there that doesn't look all that great right now. But that's where I'm going to be doing some of my Cricut stuff. We'll talk about that here in just a little bit. I added some new lights on the wall over there. Y'all get to see those a little bit later. And then I got this new big ass light that gives a really nice effect whenever you are at the studio. Kind of gives you more of like a spotlight type feel. I got a new monitor. I got a wide angle or a wide monitor there. And then in the studio, we've got a couple new additions to the wall. We'll talk about those here in a little bit. I'm going to do some window treatments. I'm going to take these down off of the wall. That's what that new mystery package is right there. You'll see those here in a little bit. And then I also added those lights to that wall. I changed this whole wall out. So it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to clean everything up today. It's going to be cleaner, promise. And then I've also got some stuff I'm going to do to the fish tank. I may not get to the fish tank today because it's quite a bit. I'm going to do like an overhaul of the whole fish tank so it matches the room a little bit better. But yeah, so let's get to it. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Everything just kind of opened up so I can finally go and get some of the stuff that I want to get. And I made a list. I'm going to try to stick to my list that I got. I want to get a whole bunch of extra stuff. But yeah, you know how that is. So also today is Cyber Monday. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Cyber Monday. There should be some deals going on. So I've got a little bit of a problem, especially when it comes to like Black Friday, clearance deals, anything that has with like buying stuff. I like having stuff. I like buying stuff, especially like when it's for my house or for my studio or for my office or whatever it is. So Cyber Monday is like hard for me because I feel compelled to buy things, you know what I mean? Now, most of the stuff that I ordered for my office and for the studio, I did kind of get some Black Friday deals and some Cyber Monday deals. Actually, some of the Cyber Monday deals I was able to order on Saturday, and they, they showed up to the house today. So there's a couple things that's gonna be trickling in today. Hopefully we get everything in to get like finished, like done with the studio, and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna run by the store, my store. This is our store here. And I'm gonna pick up a few things, and we are gonna head off to the home goods store. Oh, also, I gotta throw some trash away. Kind of like this one because it looks like pipes. looks like pipes. This is my list. So I did also have to get some hue bulbs. So those are the lights that change colors and stuff that I have down in the studio. So right now I've got 6 of them downstairs in the studio, and then I've got 3 in the office. So I need 2 more because the office has 5 lights in it, and these bulbs are like expensive. They are $60 a bulb. Sometimes I can find them in the bins for like $5, but I haven't found it in a while because I haven't been to the bins in a while. So what I'm going to do is, today's the best day to get it because they're on clearance. Well, not on clearance, they're on sale. So I'm gonna run by Best Buy. I had an order that I put in last night for a Ring doorbell, and then you got like a free Echo Dot or something like that. So I got that deal. It's like $40, $41. So I'm gonna go by Best Buy, pick that up, and then I've got a few more things. I need to go to the PetSmart to get some lids for the aquarium. I think that's it. I'm missing one thing. Oh, I know what I'm missing. I was supposed to get an accent pillow for the chair, and I forgot to get that. So we'll get that as well. So I'm gonna stop by the house first and drop this chair off, and then we'll move forward and move on. All right, so that was pretty interesting, getting that box out of the bed of the truck, but I got it. Now I'm gonna go to Best Buy and pick up my order. I got a Ring camera and a one of those Alexa devices. I'm actually probably going to end up doing like a giveaway with those items. I didn't really need them, and it was just too good of a price to pass up. So I may do a giveaway for that on either this channel or Pallet Jacket channel. I don't know which one yet. But when I went home, something funny happened. So the Flipping Accountant, shout out to the Flipping Accountant for giving the deal on Instagram about the 98-cent poly mailers. There was some poly mailers. They was on clearance for 98 cents, normally like $8, and they was anyway, they was 98 cents. And I ordered from a couple of the stores around us. I didn't order from all of them, but I ordered from a couple of the stores around us, and I saw something being delivered to my house, and it was the poly mailers. They actually delivered the clearance items to my front door. I can't believe that. I was surprised to get them to my house for free shipping. I paid $11 and I got all these poly mailers. So anyway, shout out to Flipping Accountant. If y'all ain't following Flipping Accountant, make sure y'all check his channel out. Also follow him on Instagram. All right, I don't know what's happening, but something, there's a bunch of like, I guess insulation is floating all over the street here. Anyway, let's go to Best Buy and get my order picked up. All right, so I got to run inside of Lowe's. I think this is gonna be my last stop before I go into the studio and actually get some like work done because I've just been floating from place to place. But I want to show you my little camera. This is the DJI Action 2 that I've been using for some of the shots. You know, it's magnetic. You take this little piece off right here and you just kind of stick it on there, and it's got horizon leveling, so it doesn't move around. I'm hoping. I ain't looked at the footage yet. I'm hoping that that's what it does. But yeah, this is a pretty cool little device I got going on here. So anyway, I'm gonna run inside here. I'm gonna grab the I gotta get some Wi-Fi smart light switches. That's what I'm gonna get, because I'm gonna set up everything, all my lights and stuff, on my little tablet that I got for $29 at Walmart clearance the other day. So let's get in here. Pretty much everything on my list. I don't know if I got everything, but I got pretty much everything on my list. So I'm gonna go and try to start accumulating everything. I'm just gonna do a time lapse of all these different areas that I'm working on, and we're gonna get it all done. Let's go. All right, now for the next project. So over here in this corner over here, it's a bare wall now because I took that lamp down, because I actually kind of broke the lamp a little bit. You know, it'd be like that sometime. I broke it, and I went on ahead and moved the lamp out of the way, but I need to put something over in that corner. So I've been looking for a way to put like all of my gear, like all of my camera gear and stuff, kind of up somewhere. So I bought this pegboard thing, and I'm gonna try to put it together. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but hopefully it turns out good. I'm just squinching down like this because I got the camera sitting on top of this desk. So let's put this monstrosity together. Okay, so I don't have the best plan for how I'm going to mount this yet. So this is kind of what I'm talking about. This is like a pickboard that I'm going to have some shelves and stuff mounted to, and it's going to be mounted on the wall. But I'll be able to put my cameras and stuff, all that kind of stuff, on that wall. But I got to get this up there. So I'm going to try to figure out exactly how I'm going to do this, and then we'll get to it. That was rough. So I finally got pretty much everything out. It's not perfect. So I'm gonna give y'all just a sneak peek of what I got going on here. And then I'm gonna make a separate video kind of highlighting everything I got in the studio. Also the stuff that I got in the office. Because I think I got some pretty cool stuff. So if you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.